button.
Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Hot Wheels Dad family. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of my channel. I really appreciate you guys coming back. I wanted to do a little bit of a gratitude video. I want to jump on here and thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of my channel. And today I wanted to make it just about, thanks. Thanks to you guys. Thanks to 775 subscribers. Thanks to just being able to get up on a Sunday morning and film. So one of the things that I'm extremely grateful for is being able to get up on a Sunday morning, being able to get outside and just enjoying the outdoors. And one of the things, as you guys can see, I am leaving my house right now. At the moment, here's my house. I wanted to show you guys how close I actually live to an off-road trail. Now, living in California, you get beautiful weather. I mean, check this out, guys. It's got this beautiful haze, this beautiful cloud coverage. I can get outside. It's not too hot right now. The thermometer in my truck is showing 81 degrees. So it's, it's nice outside. It's beautiful. I live super close to these hills right here. And, it's gorgeous out here. So all I have to do is come out, make this right turn right here. And again, like I mentioned, living in California, I am 45 minutes from the mountains and I'm half hour from the beach. You can't beat that. And again, coming out here on a Sunday morning, just left my house, make this left turn right here, and guess what, guys? Bam! I am at the trailhead. I get to go off-road right here, just outside my front door. I mean, how awesome is this? How awesome could this be? I mean, I'm already off-road and literally left my house a minute ago. So, one of the things that I love about living here is being able to just do this. I mean, check this out. Look at how beautiful this is right here. You cannot beat this. Being able to come out here and just drive off-road. There's a rabbit there. But being able to take this truck off-road is great. One of the things that I really love about the fact that this truck is four-wheel drive is my last truck was not. So I couldn't do any of this. I still lived really close to these off-road trails, but I couldn't get out and do any of this just because I wasn't four-wheel drive. I don't have to be worried about getting out and getting stuck. So let's talk about being grateful. Okay, you guys, so being able to do this, to get up on a Sunday morning, being in the position that I am to create content for you guys, go to work every day, take care of my Amazon business. I mean, just being able to do all that stuff, I am so thankful for. Being able to do this is a hobby for me. This is fun, this is good times, and I really, really enjoy making the content for you guys on my F150, on my cars, on whatever you guys want to see. This is just a good time being able to get out here and do this with you guys. I know you guys enjoy it, and I know you guys like to see this, this type of stuff. I like to see the off-roading stuff in my truck. Lately, I've been kind of wanting to come up here and climb this little hill for you guys. It's pretty steep. It's a pretty steep incline. I'm gonna get the GoPro out, hook it to the front of my truck right here, but I wanted to just climb this for you guys really quick. I wanted you guys to see how steep it is. Made it up to the top of that hill. I wanted you guys to check it out. It's really, really pretty out here. All right, so check that out. Pretty steep. It doesn't really show on camera how steep it is, but it is quite a good climb. So being able to get out here, like I said, to get out here and film for you guys, this is just amazing. My Amazon retail arbitrage business has been doing great. I have been able to generate quite a bit of revenue off of that. So I was able to pick up a little tool for my YouTube channel, and you guys, it's amazing. So I'm gonna insert a little clip here. It's a surprise. Picked it up last week, and just being able to generate a little bit of that revenue from my Amazon business, it allowed me to get this, you guys. All right, you guys, so I'm excited to bring this editing tool to my office. I have been wanting one of these for a very, very long time. Currently, when you see all of my edits, they are all done on my iPhone. This is gonna really, really help me out. So that by the time you see this video, when this video goes live, it will have been edited on this new tool. And without further ado, I would like to show you, bam, my new MacBook Pro. So I'm super, super stoked to start using this. I just picked this up today from Best Buy, and I'm not gonna do an unboxing or anything for you guys. You guys know what it is. You guys know the products, the Apple products, but super excited to start working on this. I have been wanting it for a very, very long time. I think I'm at a point where I'm able to start editing, add a little bit more to my edits. So currently my edits are pretty basic. I don't get too crazy with the edits, so I'm excited to start using this. You guys will be the first to see it. You know what? I take that back. I am gonna do a quick unboxing of it here for you, just because it looks like so much fun. This is one of my favorite things about a new product that is electronic. I love unboxing it. This might think this is weird, but I also like the smell of the new electronic products. Here we go. Oh, there it is. It is so gorgeous. Check that out. Amazing. So the last video I did was on my LasFit Lighting, and I wanted to do this video for you guys. Thanks to the guys at LasFit. They sent me these off-road floor liners for the F150. So this is the new upgrade. I'm gonna install these for you up here on this hill, up on this mountain. I'm gonna get these installed for you guys. BPA free, custom fit, made for the F150, all weather, snow, sleet, dirt, whatever, non-slip. They are waterproof and they are soft. So what I liked about them is they are kind of like a bendy material, so they mold to the inside of the truck. Super low maintenance and eco-friendly. All right, you guys, so check this out. Check how durable these liners are. They're custom made for the F150. They even have the two little inserts here for the front driver's seat. And you know, they're super flexible, super durable. So they have a non-slip top up here, but let's check and see how they fit into the truck here. So they come down in here. And check this out. That little, it popped in right there. Pops in right there. To the factory clips on there, and you guys, this is not going anywhere. So it keeps its form, it keeps its shape, and it keeps its form, but yet it's still flexible. So that's what I really like about it. I mean, it's non-slip. It's not gonna slip off there. All right, you can see how snug this fits in here. It comes up over the top of the center. It comes down underneath your kick pads down here. It comes underneath your seat right up to the door seal. I really like the way they look too, that little cool design that they have. That's really, really cool. So if you want some really nice, rugged, off-road floor mats for your F-150, check out LasFit's website. I will link it down in the description below. Use discount code HWDAD to get a discount. Save some cash on your LasFit products, no matter what it is, your whole order, 100% of your order. If you get the floor mats, if you get a lighting setup, whatever, HWDAD will get you a discount. Check them out, you guys. I wanted to do this quick install just so you guys can see how they fit. Couldn't be more happy with this product, especially for off-road. You know, you get out on the trails, you track dirt. I mean, look at how much dirt is on my tire already. You track dirt, it's gonna stop the dirt, snow, sleet. Pick them up from LasFit today and enjoy off-roading in your F-150. All right, you guys, that's all I have for this vlog today. I wanted to do a gratitude vlog just for you guys. I wanted to get up here, I wanted to do a little bit of off-roading today, super close to home. Beautiful day out here. That's it for the install on the LasFit off-road floor mats for the F-150. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a subscribe if you did. It really does help my channel out whenever you interact with me, you comment, you like, whatever. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Hot Wheels Dad. I appreciate it so much. And always remember, you are the maker of your own story, so don't forget to make it legendary. Peace.